Hey guys, my name is Kenny, and these are my first impressions on the ESNTLS pocket t-shirt. I'm also going to be comparing this t-shirt to other t-shirts that I own, such as this one. Straight out of the box, this t-shirt comes in a very nice plastic bag that's also zipped. And it has the ESNTLS logo right on the front. I love when companies put in thought and effort into their branding and packaging. I think that's what sets them apart from other companies. At the time of buying this, I had to go for the black pocket tee because the regular black t-shirt was sold out. Black and white t-shirts are the most essential ones you can own, which is why I went with this one. Straight out of the packaging, this already feels different than most other t-shirts. It has a very soft and silky feeling to it. On the label it says 100% cotton, but I believe it's bamboo cotton, which is why it's so soft. This ESNTLS t-shirt that I have over here is also 100% cotton, but this just feels like a normal t-shirt. This one is soft, but it doesn't feel as good as this ESNTLS t-shirt. And this is the t-shirt itself. It definitely feels like a high quality t-shirt. The first thing that I noticed was that the neck area was a little tighter than my other t-shirts, and that's to keep the collar as high as possible. This is also slightly longer than some of my other t-shirts, and that's because on the sides the t-shirt splits, and the back area is longer than the front area. I do think it's a nice touch and it makes it stand out from other t-shirts. This is by far the softest t-shirt I've ever tried on. And this may also be the best fitting t-shirt I've ever tried on. And I love it because of the way it fits at the top. It's pretty snug around the shoulder area and around my arms. I prefer t-shirts that hug your arms but are not too tight. Now for my measurements, I'm 5'7" and I weigh around 155 pounds. I bought this t-shirt in size small. I pretty much buy all my t-shirts in size small and they usually fit. Now I'm going to compare this to a few other t-shirts that I have here. This shirt is $30, which is the most expensive t-shirt that I have here. But I'm going to work my way up starting with the cheapest t-shirt. This one right here is probably one of the cheapest t-shirts that you can buy, and it's the Gildan t-shirt. I believe I got a 5-pack of these for around $15, which makes it around $3 a piece. I've worn this multiple times, which is why it's so faded. But besides being the cheapest t-shirt that I have, it's also the worst fitting one that I have. And to me, that's because of the sleeves. When I wear this, there's so much fabric that just sticks out from the sides, and that's not something that I like. To me, these are fine to wear in the house, but I wouldn't wear this if I'm going out. The next t-shirt is this Uniqlo Supima cotton t-shirt, and I believe I got this as a 2-pack for $13. Supima cotton t-shirts are supposed to be more premium t-shirts, because of how soft they are with a little bit of stretch. This one is definitely comfortable, but I think the sleeves are a little bit too short. It's also very soft, but I think this ESNTLS t-shirt is even softer. It's also a pretty thin t-shirt, which is why I think it's priced so low. Now this next t-shirt was my favorite coming into this, and it's this ESNTLS t-shirt priced at $12, but I got this as a pack of 5 for a pretty good deal, and I think it was under $10 per t-shirt. You can see how well this t-shirt fits compared to the other ones, and it's very similar to the ESNTLS t-shirt in terms of fit. This is a great t-shirt for the price, and it definitely beats out all the other t-shirts under $20. And this last t-shirt used to be my most expensive t-shirt before buying this one, and it's a t-shirt by Banana Republic. To be exact, it's the premium Pima stretch cotton t-shirt. And this is the only t-shirt here that's not 100% cotton. It's 96% Pima cotton and 4% spandex, which is what gives it the extra stretch. I don't really like stretch cotton simply because it hugs your body more than regular cotton. If you have a little bit of extra body fat like I do, it definitely shows with stretch cotton. When I bought this a few years ago, it was around $20 or $30. But when I check the website now, the regular price is $27. But when it's on sale, you can usually get it for around $15 or $20. And as you can see, it's also a great fitting t-shirt. And for a t-shirt that I've owned for a few years already, it's definitely held up pretty well. There pretty much hasn't been any fading on it compared to my Gildan t-shirt. And in terms of feel and softness, this is the closest one that resembles the ESNTLS t-shirt. And now this is my most expensive t-shirt that I own. This is the best feeling t-shirt here and also the softest t-shirt here. And it may also be the best fitting t-shirt here. And it's also the most heavyweight t-shirt that I own. It definitely feels thicker than all the other ones. The only thing that I don't know is the longevity of this t-shirt and if it could hold up through multiple washes. T-shirts tend to shrink, lose their shape, and fade over time, but I'm definitely going to see if this one holds up. I'm definitely liking this t-shirt so far, but these are only my first impressions. I will be doing a proper review once I wear it multiple times. Let me know in the comments if there's any other t-shirts that you want me to try, and maybe I could do a review on them. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.